Multiplying fractions is actually easier than adding them. There's no common denominator to worry about. Step 1. Multiply the numerators, the top numbers. Step 2. Multiply the denominators, the bottom numbers. Step 3. Simplify if you can. That's the whole method. Let's multiply 2/3 by 4/5. You might expect to need a common denominator, like when we add, but for multiplying, you don't. Step 1. Multiply the top numbers. 2 times 4 is 8. Step 2. Multiply the bottom numbers. 3 times 5 is 15, so we get 8/15. Here's why. 2/3 across, 4/5 down. The overlap is 8 little boxes out of 15, 8/15. 8 and 15 share no common factor, so that's already our answer. Now 3/4 times 2/3. Multiply the tops. 3 times 2 is 6. Multiply the bottoms. 4 times 3 is 12, so 6/12. But 6/12 can be simplified. Both divide by 6, so the answer is 1/2. So, to multiply fractions, multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms, then simplify. No common denominators, no fuss.